Hello, this is Dr. Tillis, and in today's video, I will discuss the concepts covered in Module 4. In this module, the emphasis is on applying the concepts learned in the previous module. The 4 P's of marketing include product, pricing, promotion, and physical distribution. A large part of promotion is advertising. Physical distribution involves operations management and supply chain management. Product positioning and pricing are important concepts that we will focus on in this module. So let's define the concept of product. A product is anything that can be offered to a market for attention, acquisition, use, or consumption, and which might satisfy a need or a want. Products can be physical objects, services, events, persons, places, organizations, ideas, or some type of combination of these things. So what are services? A service is any activity that someone can offer to another. A service is intangible and it cannot transfer ownership. Can you think of any examples? If any of you had hired people to mow your lawn mowing is a service. If you paid somebody to prepare your taxes, tax preparation is a service. Hairstyling is a service. So these are just a few examples. Experiences. What are experiences? Experiences include both tangible goods and non-tangible services. Can you think of any examples? Maybe, let's say if you like to travel, Viator is an example of a company that bundles services and goods to provide great experiences. So for example, a month ago, I had to travel to Bucharest, Romania for work. I went on the website at Viator and booked a guided tour of the city. The tour guide picked us up in his vehicle and took us on a drive. He used his vehicle, provided historical information of the sites we visited, and also covered our lunch. So this was an experience. Now, when we talk about products and services, we encounter 3 levels: core customer value, actual product, and the augmented product. They are also classified in industrial and consumer products. When we think about pricing, we realize this is another important concept, right? Why should firms pay attention to setting prices, for example? What is the relationship between price and quantity sold? Why is it important to know products' break-even point? How has the internet changed the way some people use price to make purchasing decisions? How can firms avoid legal and ethical problems when setting or changing their prices? These are all questions we must think of when considering pricing. Price is a signal to the customer, basically. For example, if the price is set too high, the customer might not be interested in buying a product or service. If a price is set too low, that might signal a poor quality or other negative attributes of the product or service. Price is very important because it is the only element in marketing that does not create a cost, but it generates revenue. So a successful price strategy includes 5 critical components. These are the 5 C's of pricing: customers, cost, competition, channel members, and company objectives. So please review the PowerPoint slides for additional information on product positioning and pricing, and reach out if you have any questions. I look forward to reading your blogs and discussion posts this week.